What's up, everybody? Whydavis here, back with another review, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys a Yeezy 450 in the dark slate colorway. Now, before I get into the video, I just want to say thank you guys for all the support. Keep on liking, keep on subscribing. It really motivates me to keep going when I see you guys liking my content. Also, it lets me know I'm in the right direction of showing you guys what you want to see. If you're new to the channel, I just want to say thank you and welcome. I drop a lot of dope content here. Also, you guys were new, this video was coming ahead of time if you follow me on Instagram at whydavis. But yeah, let's get right into it, man. So here we go, the Yeezy 450. This does not have any boost in it, and I'll tell you why in a minute. It just says Adidas right there at the bottom. Now we get a very different box here, way different from the slide box, the 350 box, and the foam runner box. And I'll also tell you why in a second. So yeah, let's open that up. And here we go, man. Wow. So we get nothing on the inside there. And then you just see these two shoes basically sswooshed together in this small box. I'm gonna take these out for you guys. We don't get any extra laces. We just get some tannish looking paper. Let me put that back in there. Nothing else inside the box there. I did go with a size 9.5. Oh, wrong side. I did go to size 9.5. You know, originally I wear 9, but everything else I get a 9.5 in. Everything I get a 9.5 in. Even in Yeezys, I would either get a 9.5 or a 10. I know in the slides, I told you guys I got a 10. You might have to go up to an 11. But on these, I got them in a 9.5, and they fit amazing. But yeah, let's get right into the shoe, man. First looks at it, it's really sexy, man. We seen a picture of Kanye in the white ones in 2018 for the first time. And we were all wondering when they were gonna drop. And then they dropped March 6th, 2021, I believe, of this year. And then now, June 25th, 2021, we get the dark slate right here. And wow, these are just amazing and sexy. I believe on the Adidas Confirm app, actually the raffle is still open, so you guys can join that. Don't quote me on that though, because this video might go up after that. But here we are today, live with the 450 in hand. So yeah, let's get right into it, man. So starting off with the bottom of the shoe, it's in an all black, but then when you put it up to like some light or the camera, it kind of looks like a navy on the traction back there. So maybe it's just a light making it look like a navy blue. But then when you take it off, the light, it looks black to the eye. The only thing that tells us that it's an Adidas shoe is that it says Adidas right there at the top of the shoe. It doesn't say Yeezy or Adidas anywhere else on the shoe, which is pretty dope because I don't like my clothes to have a lot of branding names on it. And if I do, I want it to be very small, and you'll just have to know what I'm wearing to know what it is. But yeah, also it just looks like some waves too are just going up and down the shoe here, which is pretty dope if you look at that from the side too. It just looks like some waves going up and down the shoe, which is kind of similar to the runner that I have on right now. I have been wearing these like every day since I got them, and they also have some similarities with that slope going up at the back here. I'll show you that slope thing going up at the back here. Same thing with this one going up here, so that's some similarities. So I'll show you guys that. But yeah, man, you guys know everything touches the toe. So man, I'm gonna have to give these the wears of my life. But man, these are really fire. Just looking at the bottom of it, you just see like that wave pattern going down the shoe. Coming up to the midsole of the shoe, in my opinion, looking at it on both sides, it just looks like some flames going up the shoe, which is pretty dope in my opinion. I can't wait to see what other colorways come out later in the year. Again, these do not come with boost technology. It comes with EVA foam, which we see here on the bottom of this midsole, if you guys look at it, because I mean, this is just a solid color, a solid futuristic looking shoe. In my opinion, Yeezy is just keeping Nike on their toes and just dropping banger after banger after banger. This month has been another crazy month for Adidas and Yeezy, but now the rest of the shoe is basically like in a prime knit here. So it's just like the correct term for it is dark slate. So it's in a dark slate prime knit going around the shoe here, all the way around the shoe. Even on the eyelids, it's we have some like shoelace holders here, and they like hold the laces in there, which we only get one pair of. We only get one pair of black laces and a rope style lace too. We only get one pair of rope style laces on this on these. But yeah, we get some eyelids and they just hold in the stock here, which have some give, you know what I mean? So on the back of the shoe here, it's in like a brownish color, earth brown, I don't know, but it doesn't say anything about that on the box. But yeah, it doesn't say anything about that on the box, but it's like a brownish back there, and then at the top it goes back to that dark slate color, which is pretty dope. And it's just like a sock, basically. The whole shoe is basically like a sock. It molds to your foot. If you have 350s, it's basically like that, but just a different midsole, because it has like that same sock, but it fits different. Now again, I did get a 9.5 in these, and they fit amazing. They don't fit as snug as a 350 would. So in my opinion, you only have to go half a size up. I normally wear a 9, but I get 9.5 in everything. Other than the slides, I got them in a 10, and I believe you need an 11, but that's just my opinion. So I did go half a size up. On the inside of the shoe here, it's all blacked out, and it says Yeezy Ortholite in there. Let me take out the sole for you guys, the insole, and the insole is in black, and it says Yeezy Ortholite. Then it has that Adidas logo right there. On the bottom, it's blue and gray. Okay, now on the tag here, we get a tag here, and it just says the sizing and everything. Also, it says flip under. So if you don't want this showing on the inside of the shoe, you can flip that under just like this, and it won't show inside the shoe, which is pretty dope. I didn't know that until just now. But yeah, man, all around a really dope shoe. I believe retail on these was 200, and resale is going for like 400 right now. So I believe this shoe is gonna go up. Like, again, I can't wait for other colorways to come out. We do get some 2 tags on here. Always look them up into the light and then see if I can see through it a little bit to know if mine are real. Also, you might want to check your pairs. I seen somebody with a pair and they had like yellow on the bottom, but I don't know, man. I just know mine come with blue. So make sure yours come with blue. I'm gonna throw these on feet for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, show your boy some love, and stay tuned.